Hello guys, this is Kimberly. Nice to meet you all. Today, I'm gonna show you regular bob style with the bangs. This is how it looks. It has same length. It has ombre color. The root is dark brown. At the bottom has the ash brown. In these days, ombre color is popular. Okay, let's take a look at in details. It has monofilament at the center, right here. It is 5 inches long, so it's very deep. And it has silk base at the forehead line, so it's very soft, so it doesn't give any itch scalp. And it has function of the non-slip grip as well. And it has adjustable band right here. And it has open breathable cap. Right here. The color of the roots. And mixed very well. And this is made of synthetic hair. The fiber is very thin and fine. It is very light. So you can wear it like this and brush with your finger. It's done. It's time to wrap up. Thank you everyone. Watch my video. See you soon. Bye.